This specific one, we are going to do a deep dive on S3 event notification. So, what actually event notification is? So, let us break it down into three parts. First is Amazon S3, and we know S3 is a storage option provided by AWS. Okay, and it's a global service. Now, let us break down and come forward to event and notification, right? So, what is event? Event is any operation or any action done by the end user, right? Whether it can be a get, it can be a put, it can be a push. Okay, and notification, as we are already aware of, like whenever we do some sort of action, there should be a notification for it. So that's how what AWS S3 does. You can use AWS S3 event notification feature to receive notification when certain events happen in your S3 bucket. Okay, and it can be anything. You can delete the object, update the object. When if there is a delete marker, you can get notification for each and every event that happens on AWS S3. So to enable notification and you just need to add a notification configuration that identifies that the event wants to publish. Okay, and yeah, then what are the things that you can publish through the event? So basically, what are the things that can be covered in event? So new object creation, object removal, restore of object when you are reducing the redundancy storage, that is RRS. Okay, second is replication event, S3 lifecycle expiration events. Okay, so whenever there is an expiration coming forward to that specific one, it will give you a notification. S3 lifecycle transition event. So as we already saw in the previous videos where the object was there for S3 glacier for some specific time, then S3 IF for some specific time, followed by it was moving to glacier. So during the transition, we can also enable notification at the same time so that we are even aware of where the object is transitioning to. Then S3 intelligent tiering, archival events, object tabbing events, and object ACL put events. Okay, and the last one is S3 can also send events to the following destination. So basically, there are three or four things through which you can do the notifications things. First is SNS, second is SQS, third is Lambda function, fourth is Amazon Event Bridge. Okay, there is a note to this specific one. So in 2024, that is this coming year, this year, AWS has discarded the support of FIFO in S3 as an event notification. All right, so that's the thing that we need to keep a note of. All right, so that was all about Amazon S3 event notification. In the following video, we are going to see a practical demonstration where we are going to implement event notification on SQS. Okay, we are going to connect both the service through policies, and we already know how we can generate the policy by policy generator, right? So yeah, see you in the next one.